are you? Where are the birds? They're very tiny. They've gone very high up in the air. They are flying around erratically, a cluster of about 50. And they're taking their sweet ass time to cross the sky. I'm just wondering, are the signals interfering with their navigation? Digital signals, perhaps. They seem to have taken their time to get across the sky. They're above my head and they're navigating very weirdly, and they make a lot of noise, chirping as they're doing it, backwards and forwards, 50 in a cluster. They used to jet past before on their ascended trajectory, so it looks like they're getting confused. Here we go, that's the state of the sky. Lamb's wool, I call that bit there, that we call it lamb's wool. Very grey and gloomy, but I can still hear them now. They're there, they're actually still above me there. They are lost. Right, let's try one last zoom. Wow. Come on. It's triple camera and nothing. They're above me heed. I need to... Let me just see. Referencing. Come down and say hello. Wow, they're in the grey gloomy bit. Hopefully they'll come into earshot. So that proves my point. They're going higher and higher and higher, and they seem to be stuck above me, circulating, cheeping, gone through the clouds. They've just passed the cloud elevation, so it seems that they need to get out of the domestic radiation, digital, electronic, magneto, you know, Wi-Fi, 5G, RF, VHF, UHF, signals, frequencies, bandwidth. I could go on for time telling you about this, but just noticed something what I haven't noticed in a long time, ever. And I thought, where are them birds? I couldn't see them. It took me a while to find them, and they've been here a good 10 minutes, so not much to see. This is probably the most bland video ever. I'm concerned about the birds. Have you seen, in any continent where you are, new bird activity? And if so, where are you? What have you seen? Bless up. Much love.